Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a workspace in Trello in 2024. Of course, this can be useful if you're no longer using a specific workspace and you want to just declutter it. So to do so, you'll need to follow a step-by-step guide in this video to show you how to delete your workspace. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open this, basically go to this URL section, type trello.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen. If it's your first time, basically, you'll be taken, of course, to this page. So click on login if you log in, if you have an account to log in into it. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on create account. And as you can see, if you have a Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack account, you'll be able to use one of those. So if you don't have to go you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in or just created your account, you'll find yourself on and basically here your workspace or your dashboard basically. Of course, just go and accept those. Here at the top like left corner, you'll find your workspaces. So as an example, I have here a Trello workspace and let's say I want to delete those workspace. First, I'll go and access like the support of Trello to and look for delete workspace to see the data that's going to be deleted with it. So I'll just click in here, or sorry, like where do you get help in here? Normally this, and it should be. I'll just go here to somewhere. I'll just go back in here and click on more. Yeah, help. That's what I want. So I'll just go and remove this. So, and we'll look for delete workspace to show you like what's data will be deleted and what's not going to be deleted. Of course, if you want to even see how to delete an account, I've already made a video about this if you want to go and check it out. So, example, I'll go here and only this check or search button. I don't know why it's not like working. So yeah, here I'll just type delete workspace, the enter button. And yeah, so as example, delete like workspace, Atlassian the documentation, what we want. If you need any other things other than that, you can simply just go and access it and check it out. So as an example, let's see if so delete in workspace is permanent and there's no window. So those are the infos that I was looking for. How to delete is very simple. I just want to check if you can restore it or not later. So an example, or as you can see in here, there is no undo. So if you delete it, you will not get this back no matter what. So keep that in mind. As you can see, boards within the workspace won't be deleted. This is the info that I wanted all as well. Instead, your board and this workspace will be closed and you can find and reopen those closed board within the trello.com/my/boards. And you'll be required, of course, to select a workspace for the board when reopening it. And you can only reopen a board if you were an admin of the board. If you're just a worker or I don't know, just someone who can access it, you may not have the access to. And of course, if the workspace still has an active standard or premier subscription, then you will need to cancel the subscription first before being able to delete the workspace. So how to delete the workspace? Simply just go here, go to the workspace, of course, and you will need to go and access the settings of those workspace. For example, here you'll find no like things. So to access the settings, of course, you'll just have to click on this workspace settings, click on it. And as you can see in here, like you can find the visibility of it, you can change it, and you'll find this delete this workspace. If you want, you can simply just click on it, and as you can see, enter workspace name, Trello workspace to delete. And things to know, this is permanent and cannot be undone. And all boards in this workspace will be closed, will not be deleted, and boards admin can reopen boards whenever they want, and board members will not be able to interact with closed boards. So enter the workspace name, as example, which is in my case, as example, it's Trello work. So workspace. If you type anything incorrected as example, like I type here like in capital letters, I will not be able to delete it. But if I type everything correctly, as you can see, I'll be able to delete it. So type the name correctly and it will be deleted. So other informations that I wanted you to know is simply to cancel your subscription before like deleting a workspace. Very important. So follow this article in here to change or cancel your Trello plan. As you can see, upgrade or downgrade, basically we want to downgrade. So you'll need to go to cancel subscription. You'll find this, of course, basically in settings, explore plans, and remove that plan. Just cancel it. As you can see, you can even see how to cancel it. Basically settings, billing, then click on cancel. As simple as that. So after that, you can go and delete it. And yeah, so this is basically for my boards. So you can see the boards basically if you are new. So here, let me just go and open that. So Trello as an example, .com/my/boards. And of course, they'll ask me to open like or to log in into an account. And once I log in into an account, if I am an admin of that workspace that's closed, if I have any board on it, I'll find like all the boards in there closed, and I can reopen them if I was an admin in there. And as I said, to cancel like a subscription, I guess they said like settings, where's billing or something like that. Okay, maybe they don't have it here. It should be here maybe then. So what is it? So it's got to be somewhere. Like just follow this article and they'll tell you exactly basically how to cancel it. And yeah, it's gonna be actually that simple. Just go to the workspace settings. As an example, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find delete workspace. Read this, it's very important to know before deleting it, and type the name correctly. As an example, let's just even delete it, why not? So, workspace, and click on delete workspace. As you can see, and it will be deleted very easily. You can go and create a new workspace example if you want to. So as an example, I'll just name it like Omics Workspace. Yeah, you can choose the type example, whatever suits you. So other tests in here. Click on continue, and as you can see, you can go and create your own new workplace. You can invite whatever you want or whoever you want to it. And yeah. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.